So we're gonna start on Karina with some moisturizer before we do the Gold Bar. Not too much on my hands. Just hitting the spots again that we're gonna use the Gold Bar on. I did her eyebrows already. Up here. And you always want moisturizer before you start using the Gold Bar or your favorite serum or oil, because you don't want it to tug. Doesn't feel good. So we'll just start with this right here and start going in an upward motion. It's 24 gold carat plated vibrational bar, which will basically depuff and sculpt and contour and feel good.
It feels great.
I do about 5 minutes on each side, always going up, because you want to defy gravity, not attract the lines and the wrinkles. So you can see it gets a little red because it's working and the skin is flushing and the blood is pumping. And you want to balance and equalize on both sides. That way you have a even face. You can also go up here if you have little lines up here, using the frown lines, the temples if you have headaches. I always love that. And then, not that she has any, but if you do, your tech lines. Also going in at the jaw for definition.
It's really relaxing.
So much. Okay, so for eye, I'm gonna start with the lid tint in peach and just give her a cool summery glow. So I'm just gonna use my finger for these because they're all finger friendly lazy girl makeup. Go ahead and close, thank you. Just placing it across the lid like this. They're made with sunflower seed oil and shea butter, so they're really easy to maneuver. They're vegan and clean, as we know, but they're easy to layer, easy to move, and if you make a mistake, you can just use your finger, move it around, smudge it, wipe it away. But it's supposed to be effortless, nothing contrived or crazy. Open. So like that, just a smooth little flush. I love this color, it's so perfect for spring. And again, you can layer them with different eyeshadows, different lid tints. You can use a cheek tint. They're interchangeable, so feel free to layer. And if you put too much on, or they crease, just pat it out. And then wipe away the little excess. And I'll also take the lid tint in Dew. Mine's a little messy, excuse that, because I use it a lot. Just giving a little dewy glow, making her look summery. Tapping. I'll also use Dew as a glow, excuse me. as a highlight. Just hitting these spots. As a natural highlighter. Then I'm going to take the kohl liner in rich brown, which is my favorite. I love this liner. Go ahead and close. It's waterproof, so it stays, which I love, especially for a natural liner, but it's also smudger. Got so much movement because it's made with jojoba oil. It's paraben free, sulfate free, so it's, if you have sensitive eyes, this is perfect. So just roughly going on the lash line, smudging it out, and then I will take my Jillian Dempsey fan brush and go back in, fan that out a little bit and bring it in to the crease, just because I want to bring it up a little bit. Open. Perfect. I think what's so great about these is like you don't have to think about it too much. It's just meant to be easy and fun and not thought about. Just put it on, slap it on, go. Perfect. And then look up. I'm gonna do a little bit on the waterline. Smudging it out. Sorry, okay?
Yeah.
And then I'll just go back in with my Q-tip. Get a little tears, sorry. Tears for fears. And buff out, look up, the concealer. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the cheek tint in Petal, which is such a sweet, sweet blush. And I actually love it on you, especially. And you could use a brush if you'd like to, but you don't need to. It's all finger friendly here. But it just gives such a pretty little flush. And these are made with, these are made with sunflower seed wax. So still staying on the clean, smooth, blendable side. But lots of color payoff, which we love. So pretty. And then I will take the cheek tint in Rosy. I'm just going to use it as a lip because we can. Smudging it. So with these, you can use a cheek, as an eye, as a lip, as a all the things. They're clean, so feel free to explore your face. That sounds so weird. Explore your face. That's my PSA.
Oh, I love this color.
It's so pretty. Trying this way. I think I made it weird. Moment. Perfect. And that is her quick, easy, summery spring